So I wanted to go over what we did in class today, just to make sure everybody's on the same page. I brought over a box on my work plane. I changed my grid to be in inches. I changed the size of my box to be 0.75. We talked about how to measure that. Three-quarter by three-quarter. So that would be my box. I put my radius at 0.125, which rounds to 1.13, which is okay. So that's our box. That's going to be our pencil topper. And we grabbed a cylinder and we made that 0.25 by 0.25, and then the height will be 0.3, or the depth, actually depth is what we're talking about here. The depth will be 0.375, and so that's going to be our hole that we put in our cube. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to raise that up .375, and what that does is that puts it at the same 0.375 plus 375 is 0.75. That puts it at the same height. Whoops. That puts it at the same height as our block. Now I'm just going to eyeball that in the middle. Right there. Okay? So what I'm going to do then, nope, don't want to move that. What I want to do then is I'm going to grab everything and I'm going to group it. I'm also going to spin it 180 degrees so I can work on the exact opposite side. Now this little box over here, this kind of gives you, like, we're looking directly down on top of our box now. Okay, so if I click top, that gives me my top view right there. That's where I want to put my initial. And in class today I put a C, and I'm going to change that. I'm going to change that to, I want an A. I want a capital A there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my dimensions, and I want that to be 0.50 and 0.50. So that gives me an A that'll fit right in that area right there. And if you think about it, 1/8 of an inch plus 1/8 of an inch equals 1/4 of an inch. Our width here is 1/2 an inch. So if I put that right in the center right there, it's where my A is going to be. Now if I look at it, it's down at the bottom. It's inside the block right now. So I'm going to raise that up. And I raise it up 3/4 of an inch. Now, it's too fat. My A is too fat right here. So I'm going to change that to be, the thickness to be, let's say 0.125. Okay? So that is my finished pencil topper. And what I want to do now is I'm going to export that out as an STL, because that's what I 3D print with. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to load this up and I'll print my block and I'll bring it into class for you. So that's what we covered. I'll get started on the next one, which is actually going to be another pencil topper, but we're going to use 2 pieces of software to kind of do this same thing. So I'm going to show you how to take something that's already existing, like something in Thingiverse, and turn it into something you can put on the end of your pencil. So pencil topper version 2. So there we go. Thanks.